Can you really earn 99 cents, that is almost $1, for just watching a 30 seconds video? Well, I came across an ad that claims that, and I've also seen a lot of creators make video about this particular app that promises to pay users up to 99 cents per 30 seconds video. Someone sent it to me again last week, and the person was like, I came across this platform, I've seen it a lot on your social media, people are talking about it, and I want to venture into it. Is this legit? And I decided to test this platform out. First of all, the amount looked very unrealistic to me, because earning 99 cents for just a 30 seconds video is kind of unrealistic. But then again, I remember the saying that the rich keeps getting richer, because the poor thinks that every opportunity they come across is a scam. So I didn't just want to conclude, I wanted to give this platform a try out to see if it's actually legit or fake. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Legit or Fake. This is a series where we try out different platforms, both apps and websites, that promises to reward users for performing certain tasks on their platforms. We are talking about tasks like taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, typing words, and all other activities you might think of. We waste our time, we invest our money to see if these apps actually pay or not. So all we do is we share experience with you so you can learn and know which app, which website is worth your time, is worth your investment, and which to avoid. So if you're interested in this type of content, make sure you give this video a like, and you should also subscribe to this channel, because we cover everything passive income on this space. Grow with Joseph. Mind you, every content posted on this channel is for educational purpose only. We have no intention of influencing your financial decision with our content. This video is just to let you know about our experience, our own view about this particular app we are about testing. And this applies to all other content on this platform. We always advise you to do your own research, leverage free tools like Google, Quora, Reddit, YouTube, and any other platform at your disposal to do your own research and know if a particular platform is worth your time or not. Let us go ahead to see if we can actually make up to 99 cents for just watching 30 seconds videos. So guys, the name of this platform is $Tube. I don't know if this is your first time of hearing about this platform, but if you've seen or heard about this platform from anywhere, please let us know in the comment section. And if you've ever tested this platform or tried it out in the past, let us know your experience, so we can compare our own experience with yours to see if it matches. All right, Tube, that is the name of this platform. I just created my account new, and as you can see, they gave me a $5 welcome bonus, which is kind of weird. Sorry, I'm starting when I've already created my account. All right, but it's very easy to create an account. You just need to follow some prompts, and I think, yes, you just sign up with Google. Yes, sign up with Google, and you will land on this particular interface. That is, if at all, at the end of this video, it is going to worth your time. Okay, now I created my account and they gave me a $5 welcome bonus. I didn't use any referral code, I didn't use any referral link. I just created an account and they gave me a $5 joining bonus, which is kind of weird. Why? It is very weird to see a platform which will give you $5 as a welcome bonus where you didn't join from a referral code or someone didn't refer you. But anyway, let's see how this platform works. So as you can see, I have 0 video views. I haven't viewed any video, and I have $5 account balance. Now if you scroll, you're going to see there's a video here from Prime Video, and then they say this video actually pays 88 cents, and we are to view this video for 35 seconds. 35 seconds, it's 8 cents. Okay, before we view that video, this is how the platform looks like. Now let's see if we view this video for 35 seconds, we're actually going to get paid this 88 cents. So I'll just view and let you know when I'm done viewing. Okay guys, as you can see, we just finished viewing that video for 35 seconds, and You remember when we started, they gave me a $5 welcome bonus, and now we have $5.88, meaning they actually paid us 88 cents for a 30 seconds video. And as you can see here, our video views just changed from 0 to 1, and my balance has also changed from $5 to $5.88. Now that video, they claim it was from Prime Video, meaning this platform claims they've partnered with Prime Video, Netflix, and other platforms, and this is where they get their videos from, and this is how they make money to pay you. So this is what they claim, because if you look at their partners, or tell you they are partnered with Prime Video, Netflix, and other big companies. But is this really true? We are going to find out from this video. We finished viewing that video, and they've given us another video which is going to pay us 55 cents for 35 seconds. We can still view if we want to view, but before we even try to see if we are going to leverage on this platform as a side hustle, let's see how to cash out our earnings, other ways to cash out on these platforms, and other things we can do. Now we'll click on the three hamburger signs, and it shows us everything about the platform. Now, aside watching videos, they tell you can also make money from referrals. So let's check on referrals and see how their referral program works. As you can see here, I have 0 referral earnings and 0 invites. I haven't invited anyone. As I told you earlier, I always test out every platform before I refer to anybody, because I want to make sure that that platform is providing premium value to my audience. Okay, so before you even share a platform with somebody, make sure you've done adequate research about that platform. Now, they say earn $5 referral commission from every friend that signs up. Use this link. This is my referral link. You see the steps you need to follow. They say copy the referral link and share with your friends and family. When they sign up as a user of our platform, you will get a referral commission of $5. As long as the friend you invite make money on our platform, you will earn 10% commission for every money they make. Meaning, the moment you sign up using my link, I get $5. But now I got $5 even when I didn't sign up with anyone's link. Isn't this weird? It's on it doesn't sound right. So I got $5, but I didn't use any link. I didn't use any referral code. I just came straight to their website, but they still gave me $5. Now they say you earn 10% commission from all your downlines. So it means if I bring you in, if you make $100, I get 10% commission from whatever amount of money you get. Let's see if this platform has potential. Now let us go to payments and see the available payment options for this platform. Okay, so they have PayPal, they have Cash App, they have Paytm, and they have bank transfer. Impressive. Most get to pay sites I've used often pay users with PayPal. So for this platform to use PayPal as a way of paying users, it looks somehow, but let's see if they're actually going to pay me what I've made already. I have $5.88 on my account balance. So I have $5.88 in my account. Let me try withdrawing via PayPal and see if I'm going to get my money. So click on withdraw. And as you can see here, they asked me to input my PayPal details. I'm going to input the wrong one because I don't trust platforms like this, honestly, because everything about the platform is very skeptical. How can you give me a $5 joining bonus as dash, and then you pay users 88 cents for one video, 99 cents for a 30 seconds ad? Since I started manipulating this platform, I haven't seen any ads on this platform, which is to tell you that this platform is not monetized with Google ads. All right, so Google does not display ads on this platform. I don't know, but I haven't come across any ads on this platform. So I cannot really tell you they make money from ads. So how then do they get their money? Let's see. Let's try to withdraw this $5 or just click. Now, I don't know if you notice something again. They tell you when you click on withdrawal, you don't see where to input the amount of money you want to withdraw. You just see request payment, make a new payment withdrawal request. Your account balance is $5.88. You don't see where to input the amount of money you want to withdraw. The only place they show you is where to input your PayPal details. So I'm going to input the wrong PayPal details and see what happens. So I'll click on submit. and they tell me minimum balance required to cash out is $100. I don't know if you saw that. That is what they are saying. So it means we cannot cash out $5. We need to reach $100 to be able to take out our earnings. This again just tells me that everything about this platform is a red flag. Now, this type of platforms, what they do is when you join, they start giving you high earnings per video to boost your momentum, to make you feel like, okay, it is going to be easy for me to reach $100. I don't know what they intend to get from you, because I don't see where they require you to invest some amount of money for you to make money on their platform. They are not monetized with ads. I haven't seen any ads on this platform which you tell me they want to keep you for long on their platform to be able to make more money with Google Ads more. And again, I don't know what their aim is, because all these other companies, they claim they've partnered with Netflix, Prime Videos. I don't really think they've partnered with these companies, because do not tell me Netflix would put a very short trailer on a third-party site and pay users 99 cents for 30 seconds. That doesn't make sense. So I don't know if their aim is to actually get users' information and use it for some illegal stuffs, but I can tell you with all confidence that this platform, it is not legit. I'm not gonna be doing anything on this platform. I cannot even waste my time on this platform. All right. I know some of you might say, Joseph, you can just try to reach the 100 and see they'll pay you. This platform is not going to pay. Okay. What they do is they start giving you high earnings. It's 8 cents, 99 cents, 55 cents, and when they see that you're close to the withdrawal or threshold, you're close to the minimum withdrawal, they start to reduce it drastically. All right. It's going to be very difficult for you to even earn 2 cents per video. They reduce it and make it very difficult for you to reach $100. Okay, most of the influencers you see advertising this platform online tell you it is legit. They are only concerned about the views they'll get, and maybe they make money from referrals. I don't know, maybe they want your referrals and stuff, or maybe they pay them for influence for sponsorships. They don't care about if you make money or not. But this me tell you that this platform is not legit. So if you've come across it and you've been wanting to venture into it, the person that asked me if this is legit or not, I don't think this is legit. According to me, my experience, I didn't make any money from this platform, and it doesn't have potential. I don't think it's going to pay anybody. But if you've made money from it, if you've ever gotten paid from $2, please let me know your experience in the comment section so I can do another video. If you've tried it out in the past, let me know your experience. So guys, that is it about $2. Do you get it 8 cents, 99 cents, 55 cents per 30 seconds ad? Yes, they claim they give you, you see it in your account, but can you take it out? The answer is no. All right, so for me, this platform, it is not worth your time, it is not worth an investment, it is not worth your anything. Okay, if you want to watch videos and get paid, you should look for, I'm not saying you cannot watch videos and get paid. They're actually legit sites that pay you little amounts of money to watch videos, but not this type of amounts. This is way too high and unrealistic, for watching videos and earning, okay, or making money from watching videos. There are other websites you can check out if you want to, watch videos and get paid. You just need to get it in mind that this is not really a good way to make money online, as you cannot make lots of money from doing this as a side hustle. But of course, there are platforms that will pay you little cents, 5 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent even, to watch videos. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you found value, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to share and also subscribe to the channel. I remain your boy, Joe, the guy that cares about your success. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.